We often look for clear answers. In academia, we're taught straight lines. Form a hypothesis, gather evidence, draw a conclusion. Either or. That way of thinking gives structure, but it is only part of how learning really happens. A relational worldview does not replace linear thinking, it expands it. It keeps the steps and adds attention to relationships. Picture a river from source to sea, with tributaries, dams, and fresh currents that change its pace. The river still flows forward, but its course is shaped by many influences, by what happens in between. Our categories are not given, we make them. And once we do, they guide what we focus on and what we miss. So what does this mean for teaching and learning? We need linear thinking to stay rigorous and to measure progress, and relational thinking to stay open, connected, and responsive to the systems we teach about.